Hi, this is Balaji. I welcome you for Python Basics tutorial series. In this series, first we are going to see what are the types of Python notebooks available, the major Python notebooks we can use for coding the Python. For that, first notebook is Python ideally, and next one is Anaconda Jupyter notebook, and next one is Anaconda Spyder notebook, and next one is Microsoft Visual Studio Code Editor, and next one is Google Colab, and next one is Pycharm. The six notebooks will be most of the application we can use. We can see one by one how to install and how to use. For that, I will type first notebook is Python ideally. It will be directed into search is we getting as python.org. We have to click that download python.org. It directed into python.org website. Here we can download your ideally Python ideally for typing the Python code. And next one notebook is you have to Anaconda Jupyter notebook. So we getting this Anaconda Jupyter notebook. We get getting anaconda.org. We have to getting Anaconda Jupyter notebook. We have to click it. It open the Anaconda.org website. So we can type your Python code here. And next one is for using for typing the Python code is Anaconda Spyder notebook. Anaconda Spyder notebook. It also one of the notebook available in Anaconda. That is a Spyder notebook. We can click it. It will open the Spyder notebook. This Spyder notebook will be open. And next one is Microsoft Visual Studio Code. This is one of the another notebook we can use for typing the Python code. So it's the Microsoft Visual Studio Code we have to type in Google Meets. That's a code.visualstudio.com. We have to click that. It directed into code.visualstudio.com. This is another we can download and install this notebook. And next one for typing the Python we can use Google Colab. Google Colab is another notebook. It is colab.research.google.com. It is another notebook. It has a online notebook. And next one is Pycharm. Pycharm is another notebook. It is showing the www.jetbrains.com. This is a website we can download the Pycharm. These are all the six notebooks we can use for typing the Python code. So first one is Python ideally. Here we have download Python by clicking this. This is the version number 3.11.1 is the latest version of Python ideally. And Jupyter Anaconda Jupyter notebook is another notebook. We can type your code by online. And Spyder notebook is another notebook given by Anaconda. And next one is Visual Studio. This is Visual Studio. We can install this is given by Microsoft. So here we can see Mac OS, Windows OS, Linux OS. For that we can install various notebooks. And next one is Colab, Google Colab. This is a Google product, and this is an online product. So we can use online only. This product will be work. So we can online we can use this product. And next one is Pycharm. Pycharm is we have to download and install, and we can use Pycharm. In this series of tutorial, we're going to use most of the application. We can use Python ideally and Google Colab for various tutorial we can see. Next video we can see the how to install Python ideally, and how to set the environmental variable for accessing your code in command prompt. Thank you for watching.